Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best strap wrenches on Amazon. A strap wrench is a tool that can do it all. This unsung hero can help you with oil filters, glue joints, shower heads, faucets, sinks, PVC junctions, taps, stubborn jar lids, and so much more. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Toolwiz Strap Wrench Set. This strap wrench set is designed to be a multi-purpose tool suitable for a wide range of applications. Its primary use is for loosening or tightening oil filters, making it an essential tool for automobile maintenance and repair. With its adjustable rubber strap, it can securely grip filters of various sizes, providing a firm hold and enabling easy removal or installation. Struggling to open stubborn jar lids can be a frustrating experience, especially for individuals with weak hands or limited grip strength. The Toolwiz strap wrench set comes to the rescue, offering a practical solution to this common problem. The adjustable rubber strap can be wrapped around a jar lid, providing a strong grip for effortless opening. Whether it's a tightly sealed pickle jar or a stubborn jam jar, this strap wrench set ensures that you can access the contents without any hassle. One of the standout features of the Toolwiz strap wrench set is its reinforced rubber belt. This high-quality material enhances durability, ensuring that the wrench can withstand rigorous use without wearing out or slipping. Number 2. Ridgid Straplock Pipe Handle. We selected the Ridgid Straplock Pipe Handle as our best overall strap wrench because it's a heavy-duty option that can be adjusted for use on pipes ranging from 3 to 8 inches. With a total strap length of 31 inches and a 7-inch handle that features a plastic grip, you'll have significant torque for tightening or loosening pipes. This pipe wrench is ideal for plumbers to use in tight spaces, such as under sinks, because of the compact size and medium-length handle. Plus, the innovative locking design guarantees that you'll have a secure grip and that you can quickly make adjustments to accommodate a range of sizes. A common issue we found with this strap wrench is that it's not ideal for use on smaller pipes. At times, the strap can slip when you're attempting to use it for leverage to either tighten or loosen items. And in some cases, it's not ideal for use in small spaces. Number 3. Aries 2-piece rubber strap wrench set. This strap oil filter wrench set stands out for its versatility. The set includes 2 wrenches with adjustable straps, allowing you to tackle oil filters of different sizes. The 4-inch wrench is perfect for smaller filters, while the 6-inch wrench handles larger filters. This adaptability ensures that you always have the right tool for the job, regardless of the filter's diameter. Comfort and control are essential when working with tools for extended periods. The Aries 2-piece rubber strap oil filter wrench set addresses this concern with its ergonomic TPR handles. These handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue and increasing efficiency. The textured surface enhances grip even when hands are greasy, ensuring precise control during filter removal. With these handles, you can confidently tackle any oil filter replacement job. High-quality materials and robust construction ensure longevity and durability. The rubber strap is resistant to oil and chemicals, preventing degradation over time. Number 4. Ridgid Tool Strap Wrench. Aside from the fact that the Ridgid Tool Strap Wrench looks like a hot dog, it's a versatile and capable tool for any toolbox. Measuring in at 5 inches long with 2 other larger sizes available, the wrench includes a strong nylon and polyurethane-coated strap for tighter grips and better traction and control. It's also rather light and weighs in at just 771 grams, 1.7 pounds. It also includes a tough metal head, has an ergonomic grip, and can hold several different sized straps for extra convenience. It provides a great amount of torque and power and doesn't take all that pressure from you. Number 5. Altrade 2-piece wrench set. The Altrade 2-piece wrench set is another great budget-friendly option for tough-to-reach places in the house. The wrench is ultra-versatile and can be used for way more than loosening sinks and rods. Many have even used it to open food jars and bottles. Plus, it has a built-in bottle opener, making it even more functional. It's also rather durable but won't leave scratch marks or scrapes on anything important. This is a tool designed to help out in everyday situations and for anyone with weaker grip strength or arthritis. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.